Hello there. Welcome to Know Your Body. Today, let's dive into the fascinating world of sexual health. Your body is complex, and so is your sexual well being. Here are some insights straight from the doctor's notebook. Did you know? The human brain has more nerve cells in the genital area than any other part of the body, aside from the brain itself. That's why sex feels so good. Sexual health isn't just about prevention, it's about understanding your body, its responses, and its needs. Condoms are not just for protection. They also promote a healthy sexual relationship by reducing risks of infections. Remember, sex education is about knowledge, not judgment. It empowers you to make informed decisions that lead to a happy, healthy life. Stay curious, stay safe. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Welcome to Know Your Body. Ever wondered why you feel attracted to some people over others? Let's dive into the science behind attraction. Your brain, driven by biology and psychology, makes these choices. It releases chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin that create feelings of pleasure and bonding. Interestingly, research shows that 50% of a person's attractiveness is determined by their face. Factors like facial symmetry and proportions play a significant role. But it's not just looks. Similarities in values, interests, and personalities can also trigger attraction. Your brain finds comfort in familiarity, creating an emotional connection. Remember, attraction isn't a one-size-fits-all phenomenon. It varies from person to person. So, embrace your choices and understand them better. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Hello there. Ever wondered why human connection feels so essential? It's not just a feeling, but a biological and psychological necessity. Your brain has structures like the ventral tegmental area, releasing dopamine when you connect emotionally with others. This feels good, reinforcing the need for social connections. But here's something surprising. According to a study, people who have frequent social interactions live longer than those who don't. So, connection is more than just pleasant, it's vital for your health and longevity. Your body yearns for emotional intimacy, not as a luxury but as a fundamental need, like food or sleep. Remember, understanding this can help you cultivate healthy relationships. So, if you find yourself seeking connection, remember it's your body telling you what it needs. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Your body, intricate and fascinating, holds secrets to one of life's greatest mysteries, falling in love. Let's delve into the science behind it all. Oxytocin, a chemical messenger, plays a crucial role. Dubbed as the love hormone, it's released when you hug, kiss or even gaze into someone's eyes for too long. It triggers feelings of affection and attachment. Interestingly, levels of oxytocin rise during orgasm too. But remember, it's not just about chemistry, your brain plays a significant part as well. Research shows that falling in love can stimulate the reward centers of your brain, releasing dopamine, another feel-good hormone. However, every relationship is unique, influenced by factors like culture, personality, and personal experiences. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Heartbreak isn't just emotional turmoil, it's your body in distress. When love fades, your brain responds like it would to a physical wound. Your brain releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline, causing symptoms similar to grief or illness. This is the neuroscience of heartbreak. Studies show heartbreak can even weaken your immune system, making you more susceptible to falling ill. Surprising fact, a broken heart can increase risk of heart disease by 21%. So, take care of your heart when love fades. Remember, heartbreak is biological. It's okay to feel the pain, but know it will pass. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Your body, a marvel of biology, holds secrets within its complex neural network. Understanding one such secret is consent, a fundamental aspect of healthy relationships. Your brain, equipped with mirror neurons, mirrors the emotions of others when you engage in an activity. This means, when someone consents, it activates similar feelings within you, creating a bond based on mutual respect. Conversely, acting without consent can trigger the amygdala, the fear center, causing distress and potential trauma. A surprising fact, 1 in 2 women in India have experienced some form of sexual violence, highlighting the urgency for consent education. Remember, consent is not just a box to tick, it's about respect, trust, and understanding your body's response. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Hello there. Think of your brain like a delicate garden. Emotional abuse, just like physical, can cause deep damage. Both trigger stress hormones that harm brain cells and impact memory, learning, even decision-making. Did you know? Chronic stress can shrink the hippocampus, a key part for memory and emotions. Emotionally abusive words can leave invisible wounds. They affect self-worth, leading to anxiety, depression. In severe cases, it can even alter your DNA. Remember, your body is resilient but not invincible. Emotional abuse isn't a lesser evil, it's harmful, and understanding this is crucial for healing. Stay tuned on Know Your Body for more insights on mental health. Empower yourself, prioritize well-being. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Hello there. Your body, fascinating isn't it? Now, let's delve into something intriguing, why pain feels different between us. Men and women have distinct neurological pathways that process pain signals. This is due to variations in brain structure and the presence of sex hormones. Did you know? Women tend to have a more complex network for processing pain, which might make their pain perception more sensitive. So remember, it's just biology at play. Your body, unique in its response to pain. For more insights on your body, stay tuned with Know Your Body. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Before intimacy, many of you might feel a flutter in your chest, a rush of adrenaline. This is known as pre-sex anxiety or performance anxiety. It's a common response, rooted in our biology and psychology. Your body releases stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline during anxious moments, including intimacy. These hormones prepare your body for fight or flight, causing symptoms like rapid heartbeat, sweaty palms, and butterflies in the stomach. Psychologically, pre-sex anxiety can stem from a variety of factors: fear of rejection, insecurities about appearance, or concerns related to sexual performance. It's important to remember that these feelings are normal and shared by many. Surprising fact, research shows that 70% of people experience some level of pre-sex anxiety. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Welcome, dear viewer. Today, let's talk about something many of us may find uncomfortable but is crucial to our well-being: intimacy in marriage. You see, our bodies are marvelous creations, designed with rhythm and balance. Yet, cultural norms can sometimes disrupt this harmony. Indian marriages, tradition often encourages delaying physical intimacy until after the wedding. This shift can be challenging for both partners, as your body might not easily adjust to changes in routine or expectations. Here's a surprising fact. Research shows that couples who discuss their sexual needs and desires have healthier relationships. Communication is key. Remember, it's okay to talk about intimacy. It's natural and essential for a healthy marriage. So let's break the silence and normalize these conversations. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. In your body, a complex dance of chemicals called neurotransmitters govern emotions, decisions, and even relationships. Now, let's talk about why toxic relationships can feel so addictive. In these relationships, a roller coaster of negative emotions triggers the release of dopamine, your brain's feel-good chemical. This rush can become habit-forming, causing you to seek out more of this toxic connection for that temporary high. But here's something surprising. Even when things are bad, your body may still produce oxytocin, a bonding hormone often associated with love and trust. This confusing mix keeps you hooked, making it hard to break free. Remember, understanding the science behind toxic relationships empowers you to recognize them early and seek healthier connections. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. Your body, your journey. Let's talk about intimacy. Indian marriages. Societal norms often shape our expectations, but biology and psychology play crucial roles too. In many cultures, conversations around intimacy are taboo, leaving couples without essential knowledge or skills for a healthy relationship. Interestingly, studies show that premarital education significantly improves intimate relationships in later life. Your body responds touch and emotional connection, key elements of intimacy. If not nurtured, it can lead to dissatisfaction and distance. Remember, it's natural to have questions or concerns about your intimacy journey. Don't hesitate to learn, grow, and explore with your partner. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. During sleep, your body orchestrates a complex dance of hormonal ballet. But did you know it's not just rest that sleep provides? It's a critical time for hormone regulation too. Growth hormone, the champion of growth, is secreted in abundance during sleep, helping repair tissues and build bones. Leptin and ghrelin, your hunger regulators, sway their balances, affecting food cravings and energy levels. Cortisol, your stress hormone, finds its rhythm, ensuring a steady response to challenges during wakefulness. Insulin, the key to metabolism, also adjusts its levels during sleep, impacting blood sugar regulation. Sleep deprivation disrupts this delicate harmony. Imagine a symphony without a conductor, it's chaos. Lack of rest can lead to weight gain, poor immunity, and even higher stress levels. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books. In the rich tapestry of traditional Indian wisdom, Ayurveda sheds light on sexual health, viewing it as an integral part of overall well-being. Your body, according to this ancient science, is a delicate balance of three energies: Vata, Pitta, and Kapha. Sexual function is closely linked to these doshas. Did you know? 62% of Ayurvedic texts focus on sexual health. Ayurveda suggests that a balanced diet, regular exercise, and stress management are key to maintaining sexual health. For instance, foods like figs, almonds, and ghee nourish the reproductive system. Remember, Ayurvedic principles emphasize on understanding your unique body type and tailoring practices accordingly. So, exploring these ancient wisdoms could lead you towards a harmonious sexual health journey. Follow Know Your Body for more. Check bio for recommended health books.